Table. Example. This is a wooden table. Tank. Example. This is a water tank. Tell. Example. I tell my mother about my good habit. Thank. Example. Thank you so much. That. Example. He informed that the work is finished. The. Example. The water is flowing continuously. There. Example. They went to their home. Then. Example. If you can't go, then let she know. Test. Example. I am having a test after 4 days. Truck. Example. This is a big truck. True. Example. I am true to my parents. There. Example. The bus is standing there. These. Example. These are flowers. They. Example. They are going to school. Thing. Example. I purchased the best thing. Think. Example. I think you are a good boy. This. Example. This is the best bicycle. Those. Example. He looks odd in those clothes. Three. Example. There are 3 apples in the basket. 2. Example. I go to the market for shopping. Today. Example. Today is my birthday. Together. Example. They are going together. Ton. Example. Thanks a ton for the beautiful gift. 2. Example. My friend is too helpful. Toy. Example. It is my toy. Tree. Example. That is a big tree in our garden. Try. Example. Let us try finishing the work. 2. Example. We are 2 sisters. Tin. Example. It is a small tin box. Tent. Example. I have a tent for picnic. Tomato. Example. It is the basket full with tomatoes. Telephone. Example. This telephone is not working. Tortoise. Example. The tortoise run very slow. Train. Example. I travel by train most of the time. Trip. Example. I am in long trip. Tiger. Example. Tiger roars in the forest. Tap. Example. It is a tap. Television. Example. I like large screen television. Today. Example. My brother is coming today. Trick. Example. I have a trick to run fast. Tickle. Example. Don't tickle me.